Good morning, HHG4M, and welcome back from the Christmas break. I hope it was very restful for you and that you got lots of family time and that you're ready to go to finish this course successfully. So, just a couple of housekeeping things. I was away all Christmas break, so I have not started marking Module 5. That is my mission for this week. So, all of Module 5 should be marked by Friday. So I apologize for any delay on that, but it's just the reality. So going forward, there is no exam for this course. No exam. Instead of an exam, what there is Module 6. Module 6 is your RST, Rich Summative Task. Maybe at your school it's called a CPT, Culminating Performance Task. Regardless, it's 30% of your final mark. Okay, so Module 6 is the biggie. Now, what I really want to mention is that how you present Module 6 is entirely up to you. It can be all written, like an essay. It can be on Google Slides, PowerPoint. You can do a video like this. If you do a video, I still need references for all of your work, so you have to submit a works cited page. Probably if you do a video, you'll still need to submit some writing to answer some of the questions and show your research. I'll need your notes, but feel free to just discuss the character that you create. So get creative. You can do it kind of seminar style if you're familiar with using a screencast, where you can have your slides up and your lovely face speaking to the camera. Really, I leave the options up to you, whatever you're the most comfortable with. Okay, good luck.